Hello everyone and welcome to the Python Programming Master Course. I'm Vivek, your instructor, and I'm really excited to guide you through your journey into the world of coding. Whether you have never written a single line of code before or you already have some experience and want to strengthen your foundations, you are in the right place. Python is the most beginner-friendly programming language in the world today. It's clean, powerful, and used everywhere. From web development and data science to automation, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and even robotics. So no matter what your future goals are, learning Python opens the door to a lot of opportunity. This course is designed for absolute beginners, students preparing for placements, working professionals wanting to upskill, and anyone curious about programming. No background in coding is required. I'll explain everything from the ground up. Across this course, we'll go step by step through all the essential concepts, including Python installation and setup, variables and data types, conditional statements, loops, functions and modular programming, data structures, lists, tuples, dictionaries, sets, file handling, object-oriented programming, error handling, modules and packages, and practical real-world coding exercises. You will also get structured workbooks, assignments, and downloadable notes for each section so you can practice as you go. The course is divided into clear, bite-sized sections. Every concept comes with easy explanations, hands-on coding demos, practice problems, mini projects, and answer keys. This means you are not just watching videos, you are actually learning by doing. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. Python is free, lightweight, and runs on Windows, Mac, and Linux. I will walk you through the entire installation process. By the end of this course, you'll be confident in writing Python programs on your own, and you'll have a strong foundation to move into data science, web development, AI, automation, and much more. So let's get started, and I'll see you in the first lesson. Get ready, your Python journey begins now.